Welcome to the Palm Technology channel.
Common names for crabs in this genus include queen crab and spider crab. The generic name Kiona acidis means snow inhabitant, Opilio means shepherd, and Ciopilio is the primary species referred to as snow crab. The name snow crab refers to their being commonly found in cold northern oceans. Juvenile snow crabs mature in cold water pools on the ocean floor that are sustained by melting sea ice. If waters warm above the 2 degrees Celsius maximum necessary for juvenile development, their normal nursery habitat will be reduced significantly. Adults are similarly unlikely to tolerate conditions of more than 5 degrees Celsius. With a gestation period of up to 2 years and an average spawn size of up to 100,000 eggs, their fecundity is high, but recent trends have shown that these characteristics do not make them impervious to threats like a warming climate. From 1988 to 1993 to evaluate the catch performance of 3 types of conventional commercial snow crab traps, evaluate the catch rates of soft-shelled crabs in normal and modified conical traps, and investigate ghost fishing by lost traps. Our results showed that pyramidal and conical traps captured larger sized males than conventional rectangular traps. Pyramidal traps also obtained significantly higher catch rates of commercial male crabs than conventional rectangular traps. The recent increased use of conical and pyramidal traps may result in a considerable reduction of the most reproductively important component of the male population. Close monitoring of the population reproductive potential is necessary to ensure a healthy population in the long term. Traps and pots are used all over the world to target species such as crab, lobster and cod. Fishing vessels between 25 to 180 feet long will drop their pots or traps in the water where the species they are trying to catch is located. The pot or trap is connected to a buoy that floats on the surface so that the fishermen can find and haul out their catch. Pots and traps can be used in anything from shallow water or up to depths of 1,000 feet and deeper. Alaskan king crab is quite often caught at depths near 600 feet in the Bering Sea. Lobster can be caught off the coast of Prince Edward Island in depths of 65 feet. Fishermen will often mark on their GPS where each pot is dropped to make it easy to come back and haul it. Quite often pots or traps will be laid out in a grid pattern in order to try to cover the most sea bottom possible. While on the bottom of the ocean, lobsters and crab will crawl into the traps or pot to get at the bait. After waiting for a day or more, the fishermen will haul each pot or trap with help of a hydraulic block. Depending on the fishery, a hydraulic crane might also be used to pull the pot on board. Once on board, the crab or lobster will be removed from the pot.